Hey all, this is gonna be my first video of opening Pokemon cards. I got 10 packs here. Let's start opening. I apologize if I mispronounce the names, but let's do it. Skyla, Farfetch'd, Lopunny, Charmander, Purloin, Venipede, Oswald, Trapinch. Reverse is Electabuzz, and the rare is Samurai. Second pack of Boundaries Cross. Code. Aspertia, City Gym, Ignite, Delibird, Tangela, Potion, a Voltorb, Lillipup, Ducklet. Reverse is Toxicroak. And the rare is a Dino. My last pack of Boundaries Crossed. Got a Gloom, Herdier, Sandslash, Rattata, Marquita, Psyduck, Dunsparce, Croagunk, a reverse Croagunk, and the rare is a Scizor. Now I got 7 packs of Phantom Force. Mananic, Spirit Link, Swalios, AZ, Gligar, Dino, Carablast, Halo, Tile, Purloin. Reverse is a Almanmala and Levani. Whereas second pack is Dimension Valley, Pharaoh, Giraffrig, Sparrow, Krabby, Dino, Gligar, Denary, Crobat, and Grogoth. Not bad so far. Now the Pharaoh, Enhanced Hammer, Swadloon, Markrow, Volatile, Sparrow, Yanma, Poochyena. Reverse is Furlish, and rare is Diggersby. Still not bad. Got a couple for my collection. Trino, Crocodile, Lensandre, Trump Card, Sparrow, Muna, Venonet, Purloin, Hero Tile. Reverse is a Fletching, and rare is Mantric EX Bolart. Not a bad pull. Furfrou, Swadloon, Roller Skates, Zubat, Markrow, Swirlix, Vanon, Gligar. Reverse is a Crobat. And rare is Blitzy. 2 more packs. Just started making this video before I go to work. It's my first one. Okay. Leopard. Trick Coin. Swiggle. Carablast. Another Dino. Bronzor. Another Krabby. Goomy. A reverse Myanmar. And the rare is Floodlock. Last pack. Girafarig, Target Ristle, Lampent, Krabby, Helioptile, Gligar, another Dino, a Fearlish, Reverse Purloin, and rare is Honchkrow. Not a bad pull. Gonna show the best pull I got. It's not bad. Gonna have to buy some top card sleeves so I can put this away. Not bad. Well, leave a like, subscribe. It's always free. Bye.